Well, hello there, everyone. I'm really excited to do this video. I've been waiting for this set to come out for a long, long time, and it is the new Beach Boys box set. It's called Feel Flows, the Sunflower and Surfs Up Sessions, 1969 through 71. Now, isn't that cool? Very cool. You can see the artwork of the boys. You have Mike Love, Carl Wilson, Bruce Johnston, Al Jardine, Dennis Wilson, and Mr. Brian Wilson. As you can see by the hype sticker, it's 5 CDs, over 100 unreleased songs. And what this includes, this is kind of in correspondence with the 50th anniversary of Surf's Up, which was the 1971 album of the same name, and it included some throwaways, well, not throwaways, some extras that were supposed to go on the Smile album, of course, which was supposed to be the big follow-up to Pet Sounds. The Beach Boys released quite a few songs from the Smile sessions over their several albums post Pet Sounds, and this was kind of the Beach Boys maturing these albums. So if you don't know the history behind the Beach Boys, look it up. This is more just an unboxing of this box set. So before I get started, there's the back, and there's the side. Let me turn this light. There's the side, and the back again, and there's the front with some better lighting. So this has, the first disc is the original Sunflower album. It has 12 tracks. The big song on here was Forever, which was, if you watched the show Full House, that was a big song on Full House that John Stamos did. That has a previously unreleased promo on this set, on the CD, excuse me. The next section of this first disc is going to be Sunflower tracks performed live, and then there's some bonus tracks, some previously unreleased. You have like Breakaway, a 69 single mix, San Miguel 2020 mix, Susie Cincinnati 2020 mix, Cotton Fields 2021 stereo. So it's really cool. Got some good stuff. Disc 2 is the original Surf's Up album. The song Surf's Up is just beautiful. Check it out. Written by Brian and Van Dyke Parks. Disney Girls, Feel Flows, which is the track of the box set's name. Some Surf's Up songs live, some bonus tracks. Then you have sessions on disc 3, some a cappella versions. Just you know how these sets go. Bonus tracks. Disc 5 is all previously unreleased stuff. I'm really excited to listen to it. But without further ado, let's crack this baby open and see the booklet inside. And I'm going to save the hype sticker, obviously, and that'll be tucked away in the booklet somewhere once this is finished up, this video. So I will save that. And this is a really neat package. It's pretty elaborate. Their last post Pet Sounds box set, Sunshine Tomorrow, it was just a two-disc CD set. It wasn't really a full box. The paper static. So you can see it's kind of glossy. But let's see what's inside. Let's see what these pictures look like. And I'm not going to go through everything. You have the Beach Boys. That's kind of like their late 60s logo when they were doing Brother Records. There's the Beach Boys looking like hippies. I believe that's in India when they went and hung out with the Beatles. And this is about the time that Brian was going through a lot of his mental, he was not in the right state of mind to tour, obviously, Oh, this is some good. These are some really good pictures. So it's a lot of, you know, Carl taking the lead and the other Beach Boys writing songs. Like, cool picture of Dennis. He was a classic California looking dude, wasn't he? And, you know, I mean, these albums aren't, they're not, I mean, it's not Pet Sounds, obviously, but, you know, the Beach Boys had a lot more to offer the world after Pet Sounds. And I'm just now kind of discovering that world. And of course, you can see, like many box sets, there's some handwritten lyrics that surfs up, all sorts of commentary. Just some really neat stuff in here. I'm really excited to listen to this. So here's the album art to Sunflower and Surf's Up, which that logo kind of became the logo for the Beach Boys. It was really cool when I got to see Brian and Al in 2016, and their music boxes their cases, their amps had that spray painted on their stuff from their original tours. So they still have the same cases. They're the boys, kind of no longer becoming boys. This is, you know, Brian was wearing his robe a lot. He wasn't really, you know, he was taking a kind of a back seat and just kind of becoming, you know, getting into his drugs and everything. Nothing really back here. And looks like a final picture in the back. And then the important stuff. So they've got the CDs in the back. And then there are the others. There's the last one, you can see. And that'll do it. So I'm excited to listen to this over the next few weeks. I want to know if anybody else got it. This kind of flew under the radar, unless you follow the Beach Boys, extensively. So thank you all for watching, and I look forward to your comments. Take care.